Fiverr allows freelancers to sell digital services to customers worldwide through an online marketplace without needing to find every client themselves. By the end, you'll know how Fiverr works, what beginners need to understand before starting, and whether the platform is worth using in 2026. Fiverr works by letting sellers create service listings called gigs. These gigs explain what service they offer, what customers receive, and how much the service costs. The platform covers many categories, including graphic design, writing, video editing, programming, marketing, and other digital services. The biggest advantage for beginners is that Fiverr already has buyers searching for services. Instead of building a website or contacting every potential customer individually, freelancers can create a profile, publish gigs, and wait for customers to find their services. The challenge is competition. Many sellers offer similar services, so beginners need clear gig descriptions, professional examples of their work, and realistic service offers that explain exactly what customers will receive. Your first goal on Fiverr should be building trust. A new seller with no reviews has less proof than someone who already completed multiple orders. This means beginners often need to focus on delivering high-quality work and creating a strong reputation. Choosing the right service also matters. A beginner who offers a specific skill may have an easier time standing out, compared with someone who creates a very broad gig that competes with thousands of similar listings. Your profile and gig presentation affect how customers see your service. Use a clear profile description, explain your process, and show examples that match the type of work you want to sell. Fiverr is not instant money. Getting orders depends on your skill level, category, competition, pricing, and how well your listings match what buyers are searching for. The best way to test Fiverr is to treat it like a small business experiment. Create a focused gig, improve your listing based on results, and track what types of services attract customer interest. Fiverr can be worth it for beginners who want access to an existing marketplace and are willing to build their skills and reputation over time. It may not be the right choice for someone looking for guaranteed income without learning a marketable skill. The main points are simple. Fiverr connects freelancers with buyers. Beginners need strong profiles and clear services to stand out, and success depends on consistency rather than simply creating an account. Your next step is to choose one specific service you can deliver well and create a focused Fiverr gig around it. If this helped you understand whether Fiverr is worth it for complete beginners in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online income reviews.